Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve some word problems based on area and perimeter. Those problems are basically third grade standard problem. So if you are a third grader, please watch this video. Let's get started. The cost of a fencing a square field is $120. The cost of fencing per meter is $3. Find the area of the square field. Let's draw the problem. This is our square field. So the total cost is 120 and each meter is $3. So if you divide $120 by fencing per meter, which is $3, we can get the perimeter of the square field. So 120 divided by 3 is 40 meter because the total cost is 120 and the cost of fencing is $3 per meter. So if we divide, we find the how many meters we need to fence the whole square field. Fencing means the perimeter. So now we know it took 40 meters to fence this whole square field. We have to find the area. Also, to find the area, we need to find what is the measurement of each side of this square field. So the area is, the perimeter is 40. So each side will be 40 divided by 4. Square has 4 sides. Each side is equal. If we divide the whole perimeter by 4, we can find the measurement of each side. So 40 divided by 4 is 10 meter. So each side of this square field is 10 meter. And area, we know length into width. Area is equal to length into width. In this case, because it's a square, area will be 10 into 10 because all the sides of a square is equal. 10 into 10, 100 square meter. So the area of the square field is 100 square meter. And that's our answer. Let's move on to the next question. The area of the rectangular field is 1600 square meter. The length of the field is 80 meter. Find the perimeter. First, draw the rectangular field. This is our rectangular field. The area is 1600 square meter. They give you the length, which is 80 meter. So what we need to find in this question to find the perimeter? We need the width and then the next we need to find the perimeter. If you watch my first video, you know the formula of area is equal to length into width. So the width will be area divided by length. In this case, area is 1600, length is 80, cancel 0, 8 times 2 is 16. So the width is 20 meter. Let's put in a box for finding width equal to 20 meter. The formula of perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus width. If you don't want to use this complicated formula, you can use length plus width plus width. I'm just simplifying it. Length here is 80 plus 80 plus 20 plus 20. 80 plus 8 is 160. 160 plus 20 is 180 plus 20 is 200 meter. So the perimeter of this rectangular field is 200 meter. We found our answer. Let's go to the next problem. The perimeter of a square whose area, we have to find the perimeter of a square whose area is 225. Let's draw a square. Area is equal to 225 square centimeter. We need to find the perimeter. To find the perimeter, first thing we need to know what's the measurement of each side of the square. Measurement of each side. Let's recall the formula of area. Area is equal to length into width. Because it is a square, so length into length, which is length square. Here area is 225, which is the length square. If you do a square root both sides, we can find the length. Now think about how to find a square root. 15 into 15 is 225. So length will be 15 meter. So if you find the length, perimeter of a square is 4 into measurement of each side here, which is 15 centimeter. So 4 times 15 centimeter, which is 60 centimeter. The answer we got, perimeter equal to 60 centimeter. Let's move on to our last problem. The area of the rectangular field is 1000 square meter. This is our rectangular field. Area is equal to 1000 square meter. Length is 80. Find the perimeter. Just like the problem number 1, let's write it down what we have, what are the information we have and what we need to find. We have area, which is 1000 square meter. We have length, which is 80 meter. And we have to find first the width and then the perimeter. Area is equal to length into width. So width is equal to area divided by length. Here is 1000 divided by 80. I'm doing the calculation. 50 by 2, which is 25 meter. So width is equal to 25 meter. Let's box it. Perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus width. That means 2 into length is 80, width is 25, 2 times 105, that is 210 meter. So the perimeter is equal to 210 meter. That's all for today's video, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe this channel.